The government of Meghalaya have released 169 crores 72 lakh 91,678 scholarship to the 61,116 students for the year 2021-22. So it will go to the individual account through PFMS.
What was the reason for the delay of the scholarship being released?
See, this is a 90-10 funding. So when we get from the government of India, we will process the state so that the matching 10% share could be given and then released subsequently to the education department so that we can release to the student.
Going further, can there be again any delay?
We are not expecting delay, but the thing is that we are moving in the direction that whatever incentive or whatever right of the student, we should be able to keep in time. Thank you.